Good morning, guys. Out here with the MF-01X, we're going to try to make a run today. It's Friday, and I know we got to have them in by midnight, so I'm going to try to best my 57 for this week. We've got the Castle 6400, I believe, in. Got the battery charged up. Still on 2S. I do have a battery coming I'm going to attempt the final run on next week. Go all out with it. I know RC Mitchie is probably uncatchable at this point, but gotta keep trying, right? That's the fun of it. I've had pretty good luck with the car so far, as far as not wrecking or breaking it. And that's new for me, so usually I've already had to rebuild it a couple of times because I've crashed it into the truck or a mailbox or fire hydrant, something. Anyway, we'll see what she does. She's been going pretty straight. I haven't changed any of that. I do got the new servo horn in it, so that has worked out pretty good, guys. So let's see. Zeroed out. 0. Oops. Picking up. All right, here we go. I lost opinion.
Yep.
Not sure how that happened. Alright, this time I actually brought tools. Maybe we can do a field repair, guys. Maybe we can back it off just a tad. Nope, I think I stripped that gear. Sounds terrible, but I'm not gonna get another chance at it, guys, because I gotta work today. So it's either this one or the 57 that I've already got, which will be okay too. But I don't have new gears coming in until Monday, so probably gonna end up being a long video, guys. Longer than I expected. I really just expected to come out here and make this run and be done. Thought I had my gear mesh right, but I guess I did not. That car was moving. Nope. Not gonna do it, guys. Not gonna do it. I'm gonna turn this camera off. Might be able to fix it off camera here real quick. I think we got it sorted. The gear was just barely, the pinion gear was just barely on there, on the edge of the gear. And I think it just stripped out that edge. So I think I got it sorted out. We're gonna put her back on the ground and see. Hopefully we can make a good pass here. Nope. Not today, guys. Complete failure. So I still have the stock gear, so if that thing is stripped out completely, all right, third time's a charm, hopefully, guys. How are y'all? Good. No, a little car. You guys just passed it down there.
Oh, really?
You want me to? It goes about 60.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah, do it. That would be awesome.
Yeah, I had one down here the other day do 122.
Oh my God. What are they run off gas?
No, it's electric. Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's back there, almost where the sun's at.
Oh. Well, have it come flying by.
Yeah, if y'all want to stop over there, I'll send it through. I lost the gear.
Oh man, at least it ain't on your fastest one.
Yeah, I was just gonna show you. It's not like your normal toy RC.
Oh, that's
so yeah.
high dollar electronics that build.
Yeah, huh?
You put it together like
Yeah. Yeah, I build them. Yeah, I had the park guys come by and, are you flying the drone? I'm like, no, I can barely drive the car, so.
Really?
But
Right.
thanks, guys. See ya. Pretty cool interaction with those guys. Cops are pretty nice. Found one of my old pins here that has the little attachment, probably from my crash. Throw that in there. Anyhow, guys, sorry I couldn't make a run, but it just kept blowing the gear. So again, try to make another pass, but this one is going to be a fail. I think I never made it over 20 miles an hour with this dude. Nope, 22. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully we get a good run in next time. Y'all have an awesome day.